Photoshop.
So today I'm going to teach you how to do saving and exporting images in GIMP. So in the interest of full disclosure, before I get started, the title of this post isn't entirely honest, and I'll explain why. So one of the things that I was most embarrassed about when I started learning GIMP was that I didn't know how to get my pretty new creations from being GIMP XCF files to a JPEG or PNG image that I could actually like open and use and like view in any other application that wasn't GIMP. So I thought it was like saving in Microsoft Word. So I tried the save as option so many times. I felt like I was going crazy. So my problem there, as I mentioned above, that makes this not entirely accurate, is that you're not going to save an image as a JPEG or PNG, you're actually going to export it as one of those file types. So just to clarify, you're going to save an image if you are not finished with your GIMP creation or you want to come back and edit it later. It'll save all of these as all of your layers as layers. You'll be able to pick up right where you left off. And you want to export it when you're happy with what your image looks like, and you want to be able to like upload it to a blog or put it on Facebook or that sort of thing, to use it basically. Now I'll walk you through both, starting with exporting. So to export, go to the File menu and select Export As. As always, there's a keyboard shortcut for this, and it's Shift Control E, as you see here. So in the name field, you can rename this whatever you'd like. And you can manually edit the file type. So I'm just going to save this as a JPEG. And obviously that's optional. If it's already the file type that you want, you can leave it just the same. Then you're going to select the export button. So there's a dialog doc that pops up. There are a lot of different options here. We're not going to worry about any of those right now. We're just going to leave the defaults. This can be another video in and of itself. I'm just going to select the export video here. This will be good enough for now. And then you should be able to see that image in the area where we saved it. Now that I think about it, I'm not totally sure. Okay, perfect. It looks like we did save this in the file, in the file folder that I wanted to. So there's our new image there, and that's ready to be used on the internets. So just as a note, the first time you export a file in GIMP, you're going to be exporting as, so the regular export option. Um, uh, if you select this or press the keyboard shortcut Control E option under, this is going to export your file using the export as settings that you used previously. So that'll save those settings for that image, and that's how to do that. So now we'll start on saving this. So again, if we're saving, this is going to be as an XCF file. I'm believing you can also save as a Photoshop file type. I can't think of what that is right now. Maybe I'll look that up and make a little annotation. So anyway, to do that, you're going to go to the File menu and press Save As. You can also press this keyboard shortcut, Shift Control S. And we've already got this set up here. It's set up as an XCF file. You can try and change that if you would like. And I'm not going to be able to. Okay, so it only wants that XCF. Oh, and then make sure to navigate to the file folder that you want this saved to. And then I'm just going to press this save button here. And as you can see, that has saved. We can check that out in here. So that's, this is this image, and then this is the one that I just saved. So again, the first time that you save a GIMP file you're going to be saving as, and the save button just saves the what you saved from the save as options earlier. So that's pretty cut and dried. So this concludes our video. Please let me know what you thought. If I missed something here that was really important or that you would like me to go over again, let me know. I can always remake this. These are pretty short videos. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. Thank you so much.